Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I got my co-stars with me, Mr. Carter and little Miss Coco here. I'm gonna just let her lay down, she wants to sleep. So today's video, I want to talk to you about the power of being a stylist. Okay, so now I'm animal-less because as I was talking to you, Carter started to pee all over me in my white shirt. I had to go change, put him away, Coco's off somewhere, and now you have just me. So just to give you a little bit of a life update, I think most of you guys already know, but for those of you that don't, Veronica and I both lost both of our parents about 3 months ago in a car accident, and it's been a whirlwind of changes. For instance, I have this dog now who I love. She was actually in the accident. They found her underneath a whole pile of stuff, and it is miraculous that once she made it out alive and has made almost a full recovery. Because I have her, I had to move because the condo I was living in didn't allow me to have dogs. That's actually my bed right there. I had to spend time rehabbing Coco. I've also had to tend to Carter because when you bring a dog home, a bunny kind of loses their marbles and it's really stressful for them. All while having to grieve myself and deal with their estate. So nonetheless, it's been crazy. So first and foremost, I want to thank all of you for being so kind and patient and loving. I know I haven't met any of you face to face, but I have developed a friendship with some of you, and it's been quite amazing. Like the amount of people that have reached out and just gave such loving, kind words and support, I am eternally grateful for, and so is Veronica. And before we get into the video about the power of being a stylist, I want to get a little housekeeping out of the way. Obviously, subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every Friday. Hit the little bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos. You can get in contact with me and Veronica directly. That's my water alarm going off there. Me and Veronica directly either through our YouTube comments or on our Instagram channel. And if you have any comments of videos you want to see, leave them there too. We will absolutely check them out. So the power of being a stylist. The name nvenn comes from the Latin phrase inventa tu mundo, which means to invent your world. My sister and I have talked about this many times, and we really believe that you can truly create whatever lifestyle that you want. Being a stylist has opened up so many doors for us, and literally you can do anything. You can work on a cruise ship, you can work on a resort, you can work anywhere. We can drop you off on any city in the planet and you can create yourself a living. It is so powerful. You can travel as much as you want. There was a point in my career where I was taking off 10 weeks in a year, and it is actually my goal to get back there again. So through our channel and our community, what we want to instill in you is that it is the best profession and you can really create any lifestyle that you want. You've also heard us say that it's more than just hair, and that means different things to different people. To me, there's a couple things that means. One, the obvious, that it's more than just hair. Hair is an expression of who you are, what you're going through in life, the stage that you're going through in life, and there's something to be said about having the perfect style for you, because when you look in a mirror and love what you see, love who you see, you're so much more effective in your life. Your relationship life, your family life, your professional life, your friendship life, your everything life. You're just so much more effective because you just feel good. The other thing that it means to me is that being a stylist is more than just hair. You have the ability to impact people on such a great level. In my opinion, it is the only profession in the world where people are happy to see you, happier when they leave, and excited to see you again. You are in such close proximity with people that you have the ability to speak life into them and share your love and make a positive and immediate difference in their life. And that's not just with humans, it's with all living things. You have the ability to revive a plant, you have the ability to heal animals. You have an ability to do anything with your heart, and anything that you do with your heart will turn out right. So after the accident, Coco wasn't even eating, she wasn't standing, she wasn't walking, she couldn't even sleep well. She was not holding her bladder. There was a lot that was going on with her. And what I have done is I've taken her to Cairo, I've given her acupuncture, I've done meditations with her, I do deep tissue massage with her almost daily, and I run stairs with her. I do everything, and now it's as if she is a new dog. Keep in mind she's 15, but nonetheless, she is rehabbed pretty good. As you know, All self-care is important, and self-care will have the greatest impact when you do it on a regular, so a daily basis is ideal. So I just want to remind you that being a stylist is a very powerful profession. You have the ability to make an immediate and positive impact on all beings that you come in contact with. So take the time to take care of yourself so that you can in turn take care of others. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you all so much for all of your love and support. We will see you next week. Bye.